Welcome to DryCyber's Cybersecurity Readout. Today, we're diving into the heart of cybersecurity. We'll explore the 5 functions of the Cybersecurity Framework. This is your comprehensive guide to understanding these functions. First up, identify. Understand your organization's cybersecurity risk. Next, we protect. Set up safeguards and train your staff. Then, we detect. Stay alert for cybersecurity events. When a cybersecurity incident occurs, we respond. Plan your response and communicate effectively. Finally, we recover. Have a recovery plan and learn from the incident. Remember, cybersecurity is a journey, not a destination. Stay safe out there.